Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am doing the 3D modeling of 5G network system. First of all, I have to confess about something, that my camera is kind of broken. It sometimes pauses and stop recording, so please pardon my mistakes. First of all, we have to take the dimension. So I'm taking some constants like 2.0 and the dielectric heights 0.787 millimeter and the operating frequency 28 gigahertz. So by pressing the calculate, this will be my width and length. The width was 4.232 millimeter and the length 3.060 millimeter, and this is the equation how this width and length has come from. So let's start our project. So first we have to go to the project template, then this interface will come, and I'll select microwave and RF optical, then antenna. Next, then we use this thing, waveguide horn clone, no, uh, time domain, and this is my this is the dimension I have to take. Oh no, I'm sorry, we will take planar patch because we're designing a microwave patch antenna. So press next, then time domain, and this is the dimension. So we're taking minimum frequency of 20 and maximum of 40. So next, this interface page will come, and this is the interface. Now we have to enter our parameter list. So we'll take width, width, length, width, ground, G, ground, ground, height, WP, WF, LF. So these are the list of parameter, and I'm giving the expression with 6 millimeter. Length is also 6 millimeter. Round is 0.0175. Height 0.787. LP 3 point 3.063 WP 4.236 WF 0.3 and lastly IF 1.48468. So these are the parameters we are taking. So then we have to go to the modeling, then we have to look the model from front. So by selecting this we can see the model from front. Then I have to take a box like brick, so selecting this and pressing escape, this will show up. First I have to give it a name like ground plane minimum minus W by 2 W by 2 minus L by 2. Wait a minute, I have to take a call, sorry. Minus C minus L by 2 plus L by 2, sorry, my bad. Minus G. And as the material we have to take copper, also pure copper. So we'll search from here copper. So there is an option the copper pure, then load and preview. So this is the preview of the load, then OK. The second step is to design the substance. So I am again taking brick and then escape. So this will call we'll take the dimension same as the ground. So W by 2 minus L by 2 L by 2 minus G. So the substance is top of the thing, so we'll minimum take 0. So again the material will be copper. take the 58801. C1, and this is the preview. Okay. So you can have a look. The substance is designed, and here is the component: ground plane and substrate. So we'll take again front. Now we have to decide a plate, then again box, patch. We'll name it as a patch. Divided by 2, and the plus WP divided by 2. So this is my center and the x-axis. So and this is the length of the patch is minus LP divided by 2 and LP divided by 2. Right. Preview. Okay. So we'll make a feed line here. So I have to take peak point, peak edge center, then we have to select here because we're designing here. So I'll click here, and this point has been selected. So I want to select the lookup coordinate here, so we're pressing now. Let's again take break, press escape, and name it as feed line. Again my camera is always stopped working, my bad. Let me take a look my camera if I can fix it. Yes. Okay, I'm back again. So the length will be 0 and Bmax will be IF LF. Okay, now this is done. So let's look a bit. Okay, now that looks good. So my antenna is almost ready, so let's do our last part. So we need the feed and the patch line should be connected, so we have to go to the component 1, patch, patch. Okay, the feed line and the patch is connected. Now the feed line is just an extension of patch. So we have now designed the ground plane and the substrate. Our whole antenna has designed. Now the next step is feeding technique. We need to feed this antenna. We will use the waveguide to feed it. We'll use rotational plane. Now I'll double click it this phase. Now I'll come to simulation and then waveguide port. After selecting this type of window will become, then I'll take xmin 3 star. Yes, okay. This is now the feed line. So for the basic video I am not doing field monitor. So I'm doing start the simulation, going home. This will start the simulation, and you can have a look. This is the progress of my project. This is running because my antenna is simulated, or else there will be some error. If the range of the frequency will bigger, it take more time, and if the frequency is lower, it will take less time. So let's wait and see. Let's wait a bit. I guess it's almost done. So it's done. Now we can see the 2D and 3D result port models. So port 1, and this is the HE model, E model, H1 model. So if we want 1D result, then this is S parameter, S1, and the reference impedance, the balance, the power, the energy, materials we have used, and VSWR, Y matrix, Z matrix. Okay, my simulation is complete, and that's how we can make a 5G antenna in CST Studio Suite. Thank you so much, sir, for watching my full video.